You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Tuesday, May 30th, and we got a great show for you today. Here's what we got coming up if you're watching live. We're going to be talking about Nintendo stock. A couple of stories we got for that where we think we have some catalysts for growth. Nutanix, the cloud computing service, we're going to talk about that. We had some viewer questions regarding that. We're going to talk about food stocks for gamers and kind of whittle down our picks as we've been going through the last week of what we're going to invest in. So each of those will have their own video posted today in the recap. Let's go ahead and get started. Talking about Nintendo, they are ramping up production on the Nintendo Switch again. They have done it earlier this year to increase their production so that they can meet demands. It looks like Nintendo is doing this once again to further increase their production, and we think this is very good news for Nintendo stock and some other retailers. Let's go ahead and we'll pull up the story. It's over at Nintendo Today. It's on several Nintendo websites, but we're going to pull up the Nintendo Today article real quick to take a look at it. Increasing their production to 18 million consoles during their first fiscal year, which is a big deal. This could be a lot of extra revenue. Certainly, we're bullish on Nintendo stock if this happens. Additional sales. We've been touting Nintendo stock since the show started, basically. And they are up today another 2%. So we'll pull them up. You can see them going on ticker below. We'll also go over to their chart. Nintendo has just been on fire really since Pokemon Go. They've been having a major comeback, decent dividend yield. So really like Nintendo, but the people that we think are also going to benefit from this is GameStop. And their stock took a pounding Friday. It's bounced back a good 1% today. But as you can see, kind of fell off a cliff there on Friday. Starting to make a comeback Tuesday. They need to get back up to that price point. We believe that the sell-off is a little too overdone for GameStop as they're getting down near their price-to-book value, and they have that nice dividend. So I wanted to show real quick while we are bullish on GameStop here, from their last earnings call. I'll pull it up here. Again, they sold 6 pieces of software and accessories with each Switch unit sold. So more Switches out there, they're going to get more of them, and they're going to be able to attach these pieces of software, because what GameStop is doing is they're not even letting the units hit their store. You have to go over to GameStop and basically pre-order the bundles. So they're going to continue to bundle that with the Switch and making a lot more profit off it than just selling the units themselves. I pulled up GameStop. Let me go over to it here. They're already out of their latest bundles that they have, and they don't have anything in stock. They're selling them that quickly. Now, you can guarantee yourself getting a Switch by going over to GameStop and getting these bundles when they post them. Look for them at Twitter. But they're already sold out. I was hoping to kind of show you what bundle. You get some good games with them, but that's their way of selling. And I think with more Switches out there in the wild, you're going to see GameStop stock pop up a little bit because of that. So great news for Nintendo wrapping up production. Let us know what you think of Nintendo stock, GameStop stock, or any of retailers, how you think they'll benefit from this increased production of the Nintendo Switch. Still very bullish on Nintendo and GameStop for that matter. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Contact the show. You can tweet us, email us, watch us live. Info is on the screen behind me. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already so you get the latest investing news for gamers. Really appreciate all the subscriptions and the growth of the channel. We really want to continue to grow a community where people who normally wouldn't invest, they get some gaming news and they start learning about investing. Especially you seasoned investors, love the posts, the comments on the videos. Really want to hear your take on some of it, whether your trade, long-term investing, what your strategies are. I really want to see new investors start to see what some of the things that you guys do. Really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.